Hey guys, I'm going to do camera here. I'm going to take pictures. So see this one? Let's take a picture. One. Let's take this one. Two. Take the last one. Three.
Today we're going to bring a digital camera for children. Now this is not a toy, it's actually a real camera and it's rugged, it's made for children. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Now just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and let's put it to the test too. So let's go ahead and see what you get. So first of all, they give you the actual strap, and this is going to be handy for those kids because it's made for kids. It's rugged, it's tough, sturdy, strong, and it's made in case they drop it or something. This is perfect. They can put it around their they could put it on the shoulder or around their necks pretty much, but I wouldn't recommend necks, to be honest with you. Any nylon string is very dangerous too. So let's go ahead and put this together. Let's see what you get. They give you a charging station, and it's a micro USB charging to type A, instructions included, and then the actual camera itself. So let's go ahead and open the camera up. If you guys notice, look at the camera. It looks like a real live large camera, but it's actually a little small, tiny little camera. It has a connection for a tripod here in the bottom, which is great. There's no focus on it. It's only one single shot. There is a memory card, 32 gig memory card they give you included. Wow, that's incredible. Normally, a lot of people don't give 32. They get like a 5 or 2, but that's awesome. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. So you're going to have to use the buttons and say up and down arrow. It has a couple games. We're going to go picture. Click on power once. Or click the top button, and then it goes to picture mode. You see it has a date stamp. Wow, this actually has a camera facing me. So there's an actual camera here. Not only a camera in the front, but actually in the back of it. And we're gonna take a picture, and that's another picture. So let's go to menu, hit the power button on, and then we could go to the play display. Go to play, hit the power, and then we can see all the buttons, all the pictures we've taken. Only 2 of them, pretty much. Go back to menu. We're gonna go back to the top to video record. So we're gonna see if we can record. And I like this feature that you can actually twist it back so you could send it back, forward, back. The bottom button sends it to the front. So we got the front. Let's see if I can take a picture of myself. Actually, I'm gonna record. That's what I'm gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna send the camera back. See if it has a microphone. Record. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. And then we could go back to menu. And then we could go back to play. Power. Then we could play this one. Go to the next one. Nope. 2 videos. I could hear it, but it's really, really faded. So, but this is awesome little camera. And let's go back to menu. Go pictures. Go here. And then we're gonna send it back to the front. So we're gonna lend it out to a little girl and have her take a couple of pictures and see what she thinks about it. So let's go ahead and put it to use.
Hey guys, look at my new camera. We're going to take pictures of these beautiful primarias. So let's take a picture of this one. Take a picture of 2. Take a picture of 3. And see right here, guys, it has this beauty. And something else that I like is when you could take selfies with them. So I'm gonna take a selfie with my pizza. Cheese. And let's check out the cool pictures I took today. I love this camera so much.